Today, we're going to be doing a few titrations of sodium hydroxide and soda. Titrations are a useful lab procedure for quantitative analysis, and in this case we're using it to determine the concentration of the acid within the soda. To find the concentration of the soda, we need to first know the concentration of our standard solution, which is the solution in the burette, in this case, sodium hydroxide. We confirm this concentration with another series of titrations beforehand, where our standard solution was instead potassium hydrogen phthalate. Anyways, to find the concentration of the soda, we put an indicator into the soda, in this case, phenolphthalein, which will turn pink when the solution reaches a pH between 8.3 and 10. We then begin the titration process, in which we add a base to the soda, in this case sodium hydroxide, drop by drop until we bring the solution's pH down to the point where the indicator turns pink. This act of balancing out the unknown amount of acid with a known amount of base with a known concentration will allow us to find the acid content in the soda. Let's go through the process step by step. First, you need to prime the burette. The burette is the tall glass tube that holds our base, and it needs to be cleaned before we use it. To do this, we rinse it 3 times with water and then 3 times with the base that we'll be putting in it. After that's done, we clamp the burette up on the table, make sure the bottom is closed, and then we add in sodium hydroxide from the top. Once we get it near to the top, we take our initial volume measurement for the sodium hydroxide. As always, we read the volume at the bottom of the U-shaped meniscus and record our values to 1 degree of uncertainty. Next, we get our reaction vessel, which is an Erlenmeyer flask containing soda and an indicator, and swirl it beneath the burette as we use its valve to slowly release base. We watch the reaction vessel as we do this, waiting for a very slight and almost unnoticeable pink color to develop and to not go away from swirling. Once we notice that our indicator has started to turn pink, we stop titrating and record the final volume on the burette. We can then measure how much base was released into the reaction vessel by taking the absolute value of the initial minus the final. This data can then be recorded and gets us on our way to doing our concentration calculations. Remember to do 3 trials, and thanks for watching.